जमीन पर बैठकर क्यों आसमां देखता है, यूं जमीन पर बैठकर क्यों आसमां देखता है, अपने पंखों को खोल क्योंकि ये जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखता है. So, hello everyone, this is me Yashwada Patel. Today I am going to share you about some things that it will help you to learn English, and also you will get some knowledge to how to achieve our goal. So let's start. Before going ahead, I would like to ask you some question. My first question is that how many people they want to learn English? Okay, everyone, who are taking actions for that, for learning English, who are doing activities? Okay, so nice. Before going ahead, now one more last question. How means I want to ask you one question. That is, my question is like this: that why the lion is a king of the jungle? Why the lion is the king of the jungle? At least anything. He is brave. He is very nice. Means he has his strength. He is very good strength. He has. Someone? No. Okay.
His mind.
Huh?
His mind.
What mind? Acha, okay. Everyone has brain. Okay, just joking. Okay, nice answer. So let's go ahead. I would like to tell you, lion is not fastest in the jungle. He is not tallest in the jungle. He is not smartest in the jungle. And but then also he is a king. Why? Why? Because he has attitude. He has attitude. I would like to tell you one small story that there was one time elephant was having his food at in the jungle. One side he was having his food, and same time the lion jumps in that area. So he comes, and as you know that what will happen? Lion will kill two elephant, and elephant also cannot run because he is wet. As you know that the elephant cannot run. So why the lion kills elephant? Elephant also can give him vision and he can go very far. Why don't elephant do that? Why? Because elephant he will always think that now he has come, now he will kill me, he will eat me, come tamam. So like this he will think. So why lion thinks that now I will go there, I want him in my dinner? Why he thinks? Why? Because he has attitude. I will finish him anyhow. I don't know anything. My leg is paining, my head is paining. No, I want him in my dinner. He has that kind of attitude. So same attitude we should have. I also want to learn English. I also want to learn English anyhow. I want to do this activity. My head is paining, my leg is paining. Let it go in my head. But I want to learn English anyhow. Like this attitude we should have. Why? Because this attitude only it will only give you benefit to learn English. And this was the story. And elephant wants to if elephant wants to fight with, yes, he will also beat lion, that bishum, and nothing will happen. At the last, lion will win. Why? Because he has that attitude. I am the king, so he have to respect me and he have to get killed by me. So yes, so it was my story. And at last, I would like to tell you one thing, that if you will do activities because of only activities, it can help you to be English confident very faster and very quicker. Because of activities only you can get some very nice improvement, very tremendous confidence also you can get. So that only. Thank you. It was nice.